Want to become an insurance agent in 2026? Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. And here's the best part, you don't need a college degree. Insurance is one of the few professional careers where you can earn a six-figure income without a degree. Start working in as little as 2 to 8 weeks and build long-term residual income. There are roughly 47,000 job openings per year, many from retirements. Here's what you need: high school diploma or GED, a few $100s for licensing, and the discipline to pass a state exam. That's it. There are 2 primary license types: life and health, which lets you sell life insurance, health insurance, disability, long-term care, annuities, and Medicare plans, and property and casualty, which covers auto, home, renters, commercial, and business insurance. Many agents get both licenses to maximize their earning potential. The licensing process has 5 steps. Step 1, complete pre-licensing education, which ranges from 0 to 90 hours depending on your state. Step 2, pass your state licensing exam. Life and health has a 55 to 70% pass rate, while property and casualty is tougher at 45 to 60%. Step 3, submit your license application and pass a background check. Step 4, get appointed with insurance carriers. And Step 5, complete continuing education, typically 24 hours every 2 years. The total startup cost ranges from $300 to $1,500. The median annual salary is $60,370 according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. But top agents earn well over $100,000 through commissions and residual income. There are 3 main career paths. Captive agents work for one company, like State Farm. Independent agents represent multiple carriers. And brokers work on behalf of clients to find the best coverage. Start your free insurance exam prep at openexamprep.com. 47,000 openings are waiting.